Oh hi, you're back. So I was just wondering, I don't have a lot of time to post my things on Instagram usually. In today's video, I will show you how you can schedule your Instagram post and how you can post it anytime from anywhere by just scheduling it. So watch this video till the end to know the whole process. Open your Instagram account. Now the second process is to click on this plus icon which is given below. Now select your any post, whatever you want to post it. So I'm just selecting this one. Now click on next. Now you can choose the filters if you want. I just want to skip it, so I'll just click on next. Now when you will scroll down, you will see the advanced settings. Click on that. Now the very first option is schedule this post. So I will toggle on this setting and then I can see that I have the options available with the date and the time. So I'll set the time and the date. For example, I'm setting it on February at 7:05 p.m. Then I need to click on done. And lastly, we need to click on this share button. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.